Okay,
Okay,
children.
children.
Now we are
We are
supposed to do addition and subtraction.
subtraction.
Okay, Miss.
Yeah. I've taught you
I've
this
taught you this
in the earlier
in the earlier class.
how to add and how to
How
subtract.
to add and how to subtract.
First, I will show you the clipping
First, I
from
will
Tata
show you this
Classic.
clipping from Tata Classic.
Watch it carefully,
Watch
and
it
then
carefully,
I
and
will
then
go
I
step by
will
step.
go step by step.
Okay, and then I will
Okay,
explain
and
you.
then I will explain you.
Hi friends, I'm trying to solve some problems on length from this book.
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Would you like to join in and help me? For each correct answer, I will give you a star. So,
Now this
girl is going
to
to
ask certain
questions.
Children,
Children, excuse me.
I'm
I'm able to hear my own.
are you ready?
There
Will be certain sets of questions
will be
asked,
asked,
and then you have to answer the related
question.
questions.
Okay.
Pasha's rope is 95 centimeters long and Jiggy's rope is 1 meter and 27 centimeters long. What is the length of both the ropes together?
Okay. Now this question is Pasha's rope is 95 centimeter long and Jiggy's rope is 1 meter 27 centimeter long. What is the length of both the ropes together? Okay. So what we have to do, children?
We have to add.
Yes, obviously we have to add. If we want the measurement of certain things together, then we have to add. We have to join both the ropes and the total length will be we'll get the total length. Okay. Now we will see what Pasha and Jiggy is supposed to do. Now you tell me what will be the correct answer. Please calculate and tell me right now.
Ma'am, 2 meter 22 centimeter.
Yes.
2 meter 22 centimeter. Yes, Miss C. 22 centimeter.
Okay.
Miss
2 meters just 22 centimeter.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, done. Absolutely correct. Okay,
That's
well done.
correct. On adding the values in the centimeters column, we get 122 centimeters.
Now see
Since
children.
100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter, we write 22 in the centimeters column and carry over 1 to the meters column.
Now,
On
children,
adding
you
the
hear
values
here?
in the meters column, we get 2 meters.
Now
So,
see.
the final answer is 2 meters and 22 centimeters.
We can see that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So in that case, we will make two columns. One for meter, another for centimeter. So first length is given 95 centimeter. We will write 95 centimeter here. I'm going to show you with this. See, we have written here 95 centimeter in centimeters column. Can you see this column? Under this, we are writing 95 centimeter. The next is 1 meter 27 centimeter long. So how we will write? 27 we will write under centimeter and 1 we will write under meter. Okay. Now when we added 95 plus 27, we will get 122. Yes. So in that case, only first two digits we will write under centimeter, and then that one will be carried here. You can see one is carried here in meters case. Then 1 plus 1 will give 2. Yes. So the answer will be 2 meter 22 centimeter.
Yes.
Am I clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes, very clear.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Now
Now
I
I
go
go
on
on
to
to
the
the
next
next
one.
one.
A wool yarn contains 55 meters and 45 centimeters of wool.
Please
A
stop
lady
talking.
uses 36 meters and 95 centimeters from the yarn for knitting.
Okay.
Okay.
Now this
question
question
is here.
A
A
wool
wool
yarn contains 55 meters, 45 centimeter of wool. A
A lady uses 36 meter, 95 centimeter from the yarn for knitting.
What is the
What is the length of the remaining
wool?
wool?
And we will subtract.
Yes.
Yes.
Why you
Why
are
you are going to subtract?
Why will
Why
you
will you
subtract?
subtract, children?
Ma'am, because we are taking away.
You are taking away
some yarn
for
for
knitting.
knitting.
Okay.
Okay.
So now
So we want to know the remainder of the wool.
How much
How much
wool is
left back after the knitting is done?
Okay.
Okay.
The
The
lady
lady
utilized
utilized
36 meter,
95 centimeter out of 55 meters, 45 centimeter.
Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the length of the remaining wool?
So,
So
please
please calculate and tell
me.
me.
Ma'am, 18. Ma'am, 18 meter, 50 centimeter.
B number, it is 19 meters, 50 centimeter. It is 19 meters, 19 meters, 50 centimeter.
19 meters.
It is 50 centimeter.
Okay. What is this?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Oh no, that's not right.
Now you
Now
tell
you
me
tell me
why
why
it
it
is
is wrong.
Why it is wrong?
Ma'am, because
Miss, no, miss. Miss 18.
this 18 meter, 50
Yes. So
centimeter.
we will find the solution right now. We will find the solution right now.
Centimeter.
Okay.
Fantastic! 95 centimeters cannot be subtracted from 45 centimeters. So, we borrow 1 meter from the meters column. Since 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, we get 145 centimeters. On subtracting 95 from 145, we get 50 centimeters. Since we had borrowed 1 meter from the meters column, we have to subtract 36 from 54. The final answer is 18 meters and 50 centimeters.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, have you
Have you heard this
calculation?
calculation?
How it was done?
Yes, no,
So-
ma'am, we
so-
can't hear the voice.
Okay.
Okay, you can't hear.
I
I will explain you.
See,
See,
the
the
total
yarn was
55
meters, 45
centimeters.
centimeters.
Isn't it?
Isn't it?
So it is written
So it is
here.
written here.
45 and 50, 45
centimeter and 55 meters. It is written here.
Now you
Now you ignore one written
in this place. Ignore
it.
I will
I will tell you why it is one here.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you
have to subtract
36 meters,
95 centimeter from 55 meters, 45 centimeter.
Okay.
Okay.
Now when
Now
we subtract 5
minus 5 will be 0.
Okay.
Okay.
But
But from 4 you cannot subtract 9.
So you
So
are
you are borrowing 1 from 5.
So you
So you have written
here
here
1.
1.
Okay.
Okay.
It
It
becomes
becomes
145.
145.
From
From
145,
145,
if you
if you
subtract
subtract
95,
95,
how much
how
will
much will you get?
50.
Yeah.
Yeah.
50 centimeter.
Okay.
15 centimeter.
50 centimeter.
Okay.
Okay.
50
centimeter.
Now this 4
Now
was
this
left
4
here.
was left here.
Isn't it?
450.
Yes. So this
So
was
this
55.
was 55.
If we have taken one
from here.
this one
Okay.
went on here.
Here.
Okay.
Okay.
So this
So
55 will become
55 will become 54 now.
From 54,
From
you have to
54 you have to subtract 36.
So if you
So if you subtract,
you will
you will
get
get 18.
So this
So
will
this
be
will
18
be 18
meters
meters
and
Okay,
15
miss.
15
centimeter
centimeter
will
will
be
be
your
your
answer.
answer.
Yes,
Am I
Am I
clear?
clear?
miss, clear. Yes, ma'am.
Anybody
Yes,
has
clear.
any doubt? Please ask
No,
me.
miss.
Ma'am,
No, miss, no doubt. No, miss, no doubt.
One at a
One at a
time.
time.
One at a
One
time.
at a time. Don't speak in
Ma'am, I
chorus.
don't understand.
You didn't
You didn't understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
Swastika,
Swastika, I'll explain you again.
See,
See, the total yarn was 55 meters,
45
centimeter.
Okay.
Okay.
This was
This was the total length of the yarn.
Yarn
Yarn matlab wool.
Okay,
Okay, mummy is making sweater.
She needs,
She
a,
needs
yarn,
a yarn,
wool
wool yarn.
The
The
measurement,
measurement or the length of the yarn is 55 meters, 45 centimeter of wool.
Okay.
Okay.
Now the
Now the
lady,
lady,
she
she
used
used
it for knitting. How much
will
she has
used it?
36 meter, 95
95
centimeter.
centimeter.
Now the
question is
what
is
the
the remaining wool?
What is the
What
length,
is the length of the remaining wool?
So you
So
are
you are
going
going
to
to
subtract
36
meters,
95 centimeter
from,
from
55 meters,
45 centimeter.
Okay.
Okay.
So when you will do
it
from
45,
you
you cannot subtract 95
because
45 is smaller than 95.
So you
So
will
you will borrow one from 55.
Okay.
Okay.
And this
Yes,
55
will become 54
and this
will become 145.
So if
So
you
if you subtract 95
from
from 145, you get 50.
Yes,
Yes,
Swastika?
Swastika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
You saw,
I have done this calculation. Now
you
got how much in meters? 54.
You
You
subtract
36 from 54.
How much
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be
Will
left?
be left?
18.
18.
So it
will be
18
meters, 50 centimeter.
Clear?
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
Is it clear for everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss. Yes.
Okay,
Thank you.
Wait.
We will go to the next one.
A train covered a distance of 452 kilometers and 750 meters from station A to station B. From station B to station C, the train covered 272 kilometers and 505 meters. How much distance did the train cover altogether?
Okay. Now the
question
question
is,
a
a train covers a distance of 452 kilometers, 750 meters.
Now the
length from one place
to
to
another
another place is measured in kilometers and meters.
Isn't
it?
Yes.
So
the
distance covered by the train is 452 kilometers, 750 meters from station A to station B.
Now
I will use one. Wait.
First let
First,
me
let me
clear
clear
it
it out.
Okay.
Like
Suppose
suppose
this
this
is
is the length
that the
that the
train
train has to cover.
This is
This is A.
This is
This
B,
is B.
and
And this is C.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm explaining you.
Please listen.
The
The
total
length
it
it is
said
said
from
from
A to B
is
A to
A to B
is
is 452 kilometers, 750 meters.
That is
this distance.
We are talking about
this distance.
Okay. Now
from station B,
from
station B,
choose the color. Okay. From station B to station C. Station B to station C. The train covers how much? 272 kilometers, 505 meters. Okay. This measurement is this much. Now it is said how much distance did the train cover all together. When it is said all together, it should click in your mind that you have to add it. That is this distance plus this distance. So you have to add it. Now if you add it, what will be the correct answer? Please do the calculation right now.
Ma'am,
Copy.
we see the number. It is 254 meters. Ma'am, 7.5 kilometers.
Okay, wait a minute, Sainaran. I'm not able to hear your voice. Please lift up your hands one by one. One by one, lift up your hands. Yes, Sainaran. Please, others, mute yourself. I want Sainaran to answer me. Yes, Sainaran.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vita.
Ma'am, it will be 7.5 kilometers, 255 meters.
725 kilometers, 255 meters. That is your answer. Okay. Wait a minute.
Sport number.
You said this one. Okay. Yeah. Well done. Now we will see the calculation. Those who didn't
Excellent.
understand,
On adding
for them
the values in the
calculation is shown
meters
here.
column, we get
I will explain you if you don't
1,255.
understand this.
Since 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer, we write 255 in the meters column and carry over 1 to the kilometers column. On adding the values in the kilometers column, we get 725 kilometers. So, the final answer is 725 kilometers and 255 meters.
Okay. Now the calculation is shown here. Those who didn't understand, I will explain once again. Now we have learned that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Isn't it? Now we are going to write kilometers under kilometer column and meter under meter column. And we are going to add them up.
Amma, నేను చెప్పింది రైట్ అయ్యింది.
What happened, Sainaran?
Ma'am,
Please, if you want to speak to your parents, mute yourself. Don't disturb others in the class. I'm explaining. I'm getting distracted. Okay. Now it is said that 750. If you add with 505. If you add these two. So how much will you get? How much will you get? Total, you give me the answer.
255.
No. It will be 1,255. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So in meters we write three numbers here, and this one will be carried here. You will carry one here. Okay. Now you have to add it together. 453 it will become plus 272. If you add it, how much will you get?
This 5.
725. If you add it together, yes, 725. So 725 will be your kilometer. It will be your kilometer. Clear? And 255 meters. Now those who don't know how to add,
You can ask me once again. I will explain you. Is there anyone who has any problem?
No, ma'am.
Others who are muting themselves, if you have any problem, please ask me.
No, ma'am.
Okay, well, good. Now I go on to the next one. I think the time is also over. 5 minutes.
Jiggy
more. I
jogs
will go
5 kilometers and 210 meters in the morning and 7 kilometers and 25 meters in the evening. How much more does Jiggy jog in the evening?
Okay. This question is Jiggy jogs 5 kilometers, 210 meters in the morning and 7 kilometers, 25 meters in the evening. How much more does Jiggy jog in the evening? Now, if we compare these two, which will be more? Means how much more he jogs in the evening. For that, what will you do, children? Subtract. What will you subtract? From which number will you subtract what?
Ma'am, 7 kilometers.
From evening. From evening measurement. Okay. From evening, the distance he has covered, you will subtract the distance covered in the morning. Isn't it? So you will subtract 5 kilometers, 210 meters from 7 kilometers, 25 meters. Now you please calculate and see what will be the correct answer.
Ma'am, 100.
1 meter.
You got the option here. Please see. Please calculate and then answer.
1 kilometer.
1.5 meters.
1 kilometer to 850
You are all
meters.
speaking in chorus. Kartikesh, please answer me.
1 kilometer, 815 meter.
You said 1 kilometer, 815 meter. Okay.
Yes,
If this is done. Okay, absolutely correct.
Brilliant!
I have to
Thank
make it
you,
clear for the
110
others how this
meters
calculation is
cannot
done.
be subtracted from 25 meters. So, we borrow 1 kilometer from the kilometers column. Since 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, we get 1025 meters.
Stop talking.
On subtracting
Stop talking.
210 from 1025, we get 815 meters. Since we had borrowed 1 kilometer from the kilometers column, we have to subtract 5 from 6. The final answer is 1 kilometer and 815 meters.
Okay. Now that calculation was done, I will do it once again. All of you understood that option?
Yes, ma'am.
That was clear?
Yes.
Okay. So thank you for today. We'll meet in the next class. Okay?
Ma'am,
10:20. We will meet again.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
Ma'am,